Today we are going to make the sun-dried tomatoes and blue cheese snacks. So for that you need the puff pastry. And you have to take it out from the fridge at least 2 hours before you start making the snacks. Then you need to cover the griddle with the baking paper. And then you lightly roll the pastry to make it bigger. And then you just cut squares from the pastry. And then to make it extremely easy, you already put the small squares on the griddle. And then to moist the griddle, the pastry a bit, you take the brush, you take the oil of the sun-dried tomatoes, and you cover the squares with this oil. Then you need to chop the sun-dried tomatoes. They're a bit oily, but this makes them good. And then you add those small pieces of sun-dried tomatoes on the squares. And don't add too much because they have very strong flavor. And then you take the blue cheese and you make the blue cheese into small pieces. And you add these small pieces on the squares next to the sun-dried tomatoes. So, again, don't put too much because blue cheese has very strong taste as well. And when you have the capers, then you add those as well, but it's not a must. You can choose what to add. And when you have finished all of this, then you need to preheat the oven up to 200 degrees, and then you put the griddle into oven, and it takes about 10 minutes to get the snacks ready.